What's up, everyone? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. So today we're going to be doing an install video on the Bung front and rear passenger frame protectors, sliders, crash bars, whatever everyone likes to call it. So I've had these in for a week or so now. I just haven't had a chance to do anything with them, just due to the fact of work and life. But I've got these right now, so I'm going to show y'all a quick little snippet of what they look like, and then we'll do the install, and I'll speed it up so we're not just dragging y'all along, but I'll show you a before and after of the bike, and we'll go from there. But here they are, already unboxed. So this is the rear passengers right here. Comes with the hardware, and this is the front frame protector, crash bar, and this is the hardware that comes with it. Really, I haven't opened this up, but this installation instructions there, I think it's going to be pretty straightforward, but these are the two right here, and I'll show you a before, walk around before, and then a walk around after here in just a second. All right everyone, so looking at it, it looks like I'm going to have to pull the muffler off, pull these bolts, and then remove this bracket to be able to get this to fit down in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll come back to it in just a minute. All right everyone, so if you look here, I've got the muffler off, and now I'm going to remove these two bolts right here, remove this bracket, and then start the install of the passenger crash bar. So I want to show you a little dilemma I'm running into. So this is my exhaust, and if you look, it's a Bassani, if that shows up, 2 into 1, and here's your bracket. Here's your bracket. Well, Bung passenger slider will not go. I cannot line up that hole with that, right, with this bracket on here. So Bassani, if you're listening, we need to either modify this bracket here so that way these parts can go on, or Bung, we need to do a cutout on this bracket like you guys have on this side for the other side, so that can go there. So I'm trying to debate right now whether I'm going to cut this bracket or I'm going to cut this off. I don't believe I'm ever going to use this bracket, so I'm thinking about just cutting it off right here and then touch up the paint, because I really don't care about that. As long as the exhaust is on, I'm never going to put hard bags on this bike. I've got a road glide, so I'm never going to put hard bags where I would need this bracket to come up or anything like that. So I'm probably going to cut this off. So anyway, just so everybody's aware that this will not fit on that like that. So anyway, give me a few minutes and I'll show you what I come up with. So I changed my mind on something. So what I've done is, as you can see, I took down a little bit of this passenger peg here. So I ground it down, smoothed it out some. So now I'm going to touch up the paint so it don't rust on me, and then I'll get this installed once the paint dries. But a little modification, if you look from the side, that's kind of what I had to do to be able to get it to fit. I believe this is still going to be plenty strong enough. When you look at the other side, there's just as much material on this one steel as there is on the other one that's already notched out. So as you see, this is what I ended up having to do. So here's what the finished product looks like. I did touch it up and got some paint on it, so it looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount this thing, and we will show you what it looks like once it's on. There it is. Got that passenger peg on. So we're gonna go do the other one now, and then we'll do the front. Pretty stout, so let's see what it's like when we get the other one on. We'll move around to this side and we'll start putting it on. So we got that one on. That one wasn't near as time consuming as the other one. The other one wasn't hard by any means, but this one I just had to pull 2 little plugs out and put the supplied hardware that it came with and put it on. So now we're going to move up to the front one and go from there. So if you can see, there's a plug there and a plug there, and then I got to remove this foot peg bracket on this side. If we come around to this side, you got to remove a bolt here and bolt here out of your foot peg bracket. Got to remove that plastic plug, remove that bolt there, and we should be able to slide it on and bolt it up. So I'll get started, get some stuff removed, and show you what it looks like. So we got the front on, got it cleaned up. I'm gonna pull it outside in just a minute so everyone can see it, but that's what it looks like right there. And I'll go over a few things I had to do just to get everyone up to speed. So you see we have the Bung King crash bar for the front and the passenger set up. Got that on. Again, we had to modify this bracket right here and notch it out around. If you can see how that is in there, just could not get that thing in there without grinding that down, and then I repainted it. But other than that, we have that on there. Made sure all the bolts were installed correctly, all torqued, and if you look at it, it looks pretty good on the bike. Still got quite a few other things to do with the bike, but yeah, that'll do it. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time.